Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Tag Manager preview mode for tracking fixes step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Tag Manager website. Log in to your Google Tag Manager account. Select the appropriate container for the project you are working on. In the top right corner, click on the Preview button. This will open a new tab displaying the Tag Manager debug mode. Copy the URL from this new tab. Now, go to the website where you want to verify the Tag Manager setup. Paste the copied URL into the address bar of your browser and hit enter. This will open your website in preview mode. You will see the Tag Manager debug panel at the bottom of your screen. You can navigate through your site and take note of the events being tracked. Click on the various elements to see which tags are firing. Pay attention to the Tags Fired section in the debug panel. This area provides information on which tags were successfully activated. To identify any tracking issues, look for the Tags Not Fired section. This will indicate if any tags are failing to activate. You can review the triggers associated with these tags for troubleshooting. If everything appears correct, confirm that the expected tags are firing as intended. Once you finish testing, close the Preview Mode tab. Return to your Google Tag Manager account. Make any necessary adjustments based on your findings. Re-enter Preview Mode again to verify the changes. Repeat this process until all tracking issues are resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.